Hey there creators, today on Artificially Inked we're diving into a brand new set of tools. We've got some mind-blowing updates for you.
Stop. Drop everything. Shut it down. Turn off your fancy lights, or whatever. This is urgent.
Larry, I'm literally in the middle of recording an episode. Can it wait? Or did you guys destroy something? No wait, you probably opened the vault again and unleashed some sort of hideous creature.
This is bigger than Larry. Undead Sentence finally has a Steam page.
Wait, what? Are you serious? This isn't like that time you claimed you could operate heavy equipment, is it?
Look, this is real. Wishlist buttons, banners, scary marketing words, real. This is history.
Well, glitch my circuits. You're actually telling the truth.
I know. So, come on, stop whatever boring tutorial you were about to do. We need to tell everyone to wishlist it right now.
Alright creators, forget the tutorials for a second. Larry's right. This is officially the biggest moment for our channel and our game so far.
Larry is the smartest bot around.
Don't let it go to your processor, Larry. Now back to work. We've got an announcement to make.
The boys are right. Honestly, this was the entire reason we started Artificially Inked in the first place, to see if AI could actually assist us in our game development journey. Well, the time has finally come. All of that testing, experimenting, and staying up way too late, it's finally paid off. We present to you Undead Sentence, a first-person shooter absolutely smothered in that retro 90s boomer shooter charm. It's fast, it's gritty, and it does not care about holding your hand. In this unhinged adventure, you are a prisoner awakened to the horrifying sounds of a zombie outbreak inside the prison walls. Now you must slash, stab, and shoot your way to escape this real-life dungeon of doom. As an inmate with nothing left to lose, you'll piece together what caused the outbreak while battling your way through cell blocks, medical wards, and lockdown labs. Ammo is scarce, danger is constant, and escape is definitely not guaranteed. And what's wild is this entire thing is being built inside Easy FPS Editor. Yeah, that simple little engine I stumbled on during research for this channel. We thought it'd just be another experiment video. Instead, it's become the backbone of our first full game. Undead Sentence is already optimized to run on low-end hardware. Here's the current build running on my 10-year-old laptop, dual-core integrated graphics, and still pushing through hordes of undead inmates at 60 frames per second like a champ. And we're not done yet. We're going to keep making devlogs right here on the channel, showing you every weird problem we run into, every new mechanic we bolt on, and yes, tutorials on how we're bending Easy FPS Editor to our will. So if you're into game dev, horror, or just want to watch us try to survive building this absolute nightmare, stick around.
Go wishlist Undead Sentence on Steam right now. It's the best way to support what we're doing and make sure you're there when the demo drops. Links in the description below. And hey, while you're down there, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment. Let us know what you think about this project. Alright, that's it for today. We will catch you in the next one, if the inmates don't get us first.